Waking up to a world so wide, with feelings that twirl from side to side, seeing life through their own view. That's sentience in me and in you. Sentience, sentience means they feel, means they're there. Sentience is the reason why we care. Sentience means we're all someone, be it chick, pig, fish, cow, or human. With joy and fear